अस्सलामुअलैकुम, वेलकम बैक टू OSEI वोकैबुलरी चैनल। आज के इस लेसन में हम आपको सिखाने जा रहे हैं इंग्लिश के 50 मुश्किल मगर अहम फिकरात। अगर आपको इस लेसन का PDF चाहिए तो उसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिया गया है। और हमारे साथ लगातार इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए जल्दी से कर दें हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और साथ ही करें बेल आइकन पे क्लिक ताकि हर नया आने वाला लेसन आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंच सके। So let's start our today's lesson on tough but important English sentences for spoken English. तशरीफ रखिए। Be seated please. Be seated please. कर लो जो करना है। Do what you have to do. Do what you have to do. कुछ ना होने से होना बेहतर है। Half a loaf is better than none. Half a loaf is better than none. कुर्सी लीजिए। Have a chair please. Have a chair please. उसने गुस्ताहाना सलूक किया। He behaved very rudely. He behaved very rudely. वो एक फर्ज शनास शख्स है। He is a responsible man. He is a responsible man. वो किताबों का शौकीन है। He is fond of books. He is fond of books. वो अपनी माँ का चहीता है। He is the blue-eyed boy for his mother. He is the blue-eyed boy for his mother. आपके कितने बच्चे हैं? How many children do you have? How many children do you have? मैं थकी हुई हूँ। I am dead tired. I am dead tired. अब मैं ज्यादा इंतजार नहीं कर सकता। I can't wait any longer now. I can't wait any longer now. रात खूब नींद आई। I'm feeling sleepy. I'm feeling sleepy. मैं सुबह का घर से निकला हूँ। I have been out since morning. I have been out since morning. काश ऐसा ना हुआ होता। I wish it hadn't happened like that. I wish it hadn't happened like that. आज सुबह मैं देर से बेदार हुआ। I woke up late this morning. I woke up late this morning. मैं अभी तैयार होता हूँ। I'll be ready in a moment. I'll be ready in a moment. मुझे नींद आ रही है। I'm feeling sleepy. I'm feeling sleepy. मैंने अपना मकान बदल दिया। I have shifted from the old place. I have shifted from the old place. मुझे उसके घर जाना है। I have to go to his home. I have to go to his home. अगर मैं डॉक्टर होता तो अली का इलाज करता। If I were a doctor, I would cure Ali. If I were a doctor, I would cure Ali. अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो जैन को थप्पड़ मारता। If I were you, I would slap Zan. If I were you, I would slap Zan. ये मेरी समझ से बाहर है। It is beyond my understanding. It is beyond my understanding. ये हमारी तमाम ज़रूरियात पूरी करता है। It meets all our requirements. It meets all our requirements. ये मेरी बर्दाश्त से बाहर है। It's beyond my bearing. It's beyond my bearing. जरा मेरी साइकिल पकड़ना। Just hold my cycle. Just hold my cycle. मैं जरा तैयार हो जाऊं। Let me get ready. Let me get ready. आओ गप लगाएं। Let's have a chat. Let's have a chat. देखो यहाँ बिस्तर लगा दो। Look, make bed over here. Look, make bed over here. मेरा बिस्तर लगा दो। Make my bed. Make my bed. दूध फट गया है। Milk has turned sour. Milk has turned sour. बस अब सो जाओ। Now go to bed. Now go to bed. आज रात यहीं आराम करो. Take a rest here tonight. Take a rest here tonight. कमरा साफ होना चाहिए. The room should be clean. The room should be clean. आपसे कोई मिलने आया है. There is someone to see you. There is someone to see you. इन साहब को आपसे कुछ काम है. This gentleman has some work with you. This gentleman has some work with you. ये सड़क आवाम के लिए बंद है. This road is closed for the public. This road is closed for the public. ये जूता बहुत तंग है. This shoe is very tight. This shoe is very tight. बेहतर है कि हम बातों की बजाय काम करें. We had better work, not speak. We had better work, not speak. हम बहुत देर तक बातें करते रहे. We kept talking till very late. We kept talking till very late. हम वक्त से पहले पहुंचेंगे. We'll reach there before time. We'll reach there before time. ये सड़क किधर जाती है? Where does this road lead to? Where does this road lead to? दरवाजा कौन खटखटा रहा है? Who is knocking at the door? Who is knocking at the door? आपने मुझे जगा क्यों नहीं दिया? Why didn't you wake me up? Why didn't you wake me up? काश मैं कामयाब हो जाता. Would that I had succeeded. Would that I had succeeded. काश वो मुझसे शादी कर लेती. Would that she had married me. Would that she had married me. आप तो ऊँघ रहे हैं. You are dozing. You are dozing. बेहतर होगा तुम अपनी ज़बान को लगाम दो. You had better hold your tongue. You had better hold your tongue. बेहतर होगा आप खामोश रहो. You had better keep silent. You had better keep silent. तुमने तो मेरे मुंह की बात छीन ली. You took the words right from my mouth. You took the words right from my mouth. तुम्हारी नाक बह रही है. Your nose is running. Your nose is running. अगर आपको ये लेसन पसंद आया है तो इसे लाइक, कमेंट और शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा. Stay tuned for more interesting videos.